Hello, myself I am Girdhar. I am studying in 9th standard. Today our topic is atomic radius. It is also known as atomic size. The distance between center of nucleus and outermost orbit of an atom is known as atomic radius. The units of atomic radius is 1 Armstrong. The value of 1 Armstrong is 10 power minus 10 centimeters. The atomic radius is classified into 3 types. Covalent radius, crystalline radius, and van der Waals radius. Covalent radius is one half of the distance between two nonmetals which are covalently bonded is known as covalent radius. In crystalline radius, the half of internuclear distance between two metals is known as metallic radius, which is also defined as crystalline radius. In van der Waals radius, the distance between two molecules which are held by van der Waals radius is known as van der Waals radius. In groups top to bottom, atomic radius increases. Example: hydrogen 1s1, lithium 2s1, sodium 3s1, potassium 4s1, in period left to right, atomic radius decreases. Example: sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine 3s1, 3s2, 3p1, 3s2, 3p2,